Good morning children. Today I am going to start a new topic from English Grammar, Chapter 7 Articles. In today's class, we will learn about what are articles, types of articles, uses of articles. Let's read the sentences given below. This is the dog I saw. I have an egg every day. I need a pen or a pencil to write. Children, look at the highlight words such as the dog, an egg, and a pencil. The words such as a and the are articles, and the words such as dog, egg, pencil are nouns. Articles are the words which we use to point out a particular noun or a pronoun. They are also used before common nouns to tell us about their quantity. Articles are divided into two categories: indefinite articles, definite articles. The word a or an is called the indefinite articles because it does not point out any one definite person or thing. The word the is called the definite article because it points out some particular person or thing. Now let us know how to use them. Usage of indefinite article a and an. A is used before a consonant sound, as for example, a motor car runs very fast. I saw a boy walking in the garden. Before you pronounce as you as, he is a European. A cow is a useful animal. Before o pronounce as wa, as I lost a 1 rupee note. An is used before a vowel sound, as there is an egg on the plate. I saw an owl. Before a, silent h, as he is an honest man. He was an hour late. Usage of definite article the. The is used before common noun when we want to particularize it, as this is the girl who won the first prize. This is the boy who stood first in the class. Before adjectives in the superlative degree, as he is the cleverest boy in the class. He is the oldest man in the village. Before the name of rivers and ocean, as the Ganga is a sacred river, the Arabian Sea, the Red Sea. Before the names of mountain ranges, as the Himalayas are covered with snow, the Alps cannot be easily climbed. Before the names of sacred books, as the Gita is a holy book of the Hindus, the Bible is a holy book of the Christians. Before the names of nations, as the English defeated the French, the Russians defeated the Chinese. Omission of the article. No article is used before the names of languages, as English is taught all over India. Sanskrit is a difficult language. No article is used before proper nouns, as Akbar was a very wise king. Delhi is the capital of India. No article is used before abstract and material nouns, as health is better than wealth, wisdom is more useful than courage. Let's recall, children. Articles are the words which we use to point out particular noun or a pronoun. They are also used before common nouns to tell us about their quantity. Articles are divided into two categories: indefinite articles, definite articles. Third, the word a or an is called the indefinite articles because it does not point out any one definite person or thing. The word the is called the definite article because it points out some particular person or thing. I hope you have understood this topic. We will meet again in the next session. Thank you.